So good day, ma'am. I will be... Wag mo na nag-gidyan yung kamay mo. Putang inanti. 1, 2, 3, go. Good day, ma'am. So I will be performing to you the abdominal extremities assessment. So the pattern we will do is the inspection, auscultation, percussion, and palpation. First is I will inspect your color of your skin and hair distribution, lumps, bumps, masses, and surgical scars, moles, and if umbilical, if it in the middle. And while inspecting your abdominal, and notice that your color is neutral color and the hair distribution is light distribution. And I've noticed that you have a stretch mark here at iliac left and right region. So now I will be proceeding the auscultation. First, we have a four quadrant, which is the right upper quadrant, left upper quadrant, and the left lower quadrant, and the right lower quadrant. And we have a 9 region. First we have is the right chondriac region, epigastric, left chondriac region, left lumbar region, umbilical region, and left lumbar, and iliac right region, and the hypogastric region, and the iliac region, left iliac region. So next, I will be auscultating your abdominal per quadrant. Then auscultating your quadrants. So after auscultating your abdominal, I didn't hear any murmurs, sounds. Next thing we will do is the percussion. The third thing we will do is to percuss your abdominal on your 9 region. After the percussion, the predominant sound is tympani. The dullness may occur due to masses fluid at the Isipin mo ka ba? After the palpation, I found out that you don't have the lumps and bumps. Yun ba? Yun. 1, 2, 3, go. So, after palpating your abdominal and the pore region, I found out that you don't have lumps and bumps, and it's normal. Yan!